Go through the 20s.
Through the 20s.
Little bull. If you look at the 1 minute chart here, we had a little bit of a bull flag right above that 14 EMA, pushing there through the 20s now. Like we said, back above 20,000 here. That pivot point there at the 19,975 area, trying to go. So she wanted to go higher. All right. We got the winner. I'm going to pick the winner here for the giveaway. All right, Landon, you come here and pick somebody. You pick them, Landon. Let's see what you got. I'm going to go like this, and then you just...
Now we're going to go straight up. And I was...
Now it's doing this thing again.
My entry should have been at 965.
All right, I'm going to scroll and then...
It's doing the thing where it goes...
I don't know.
What do you want me to say?
Like this.
Which is actually the easiest price action to trade, because you actually, if you get in at the right spot, you will get your move. It's not chopping, you know?
That's when if you trade breakouts, it's really good.
Yeah.
If you trade breakouts with this price action, it's great. But if you are trading for pullbacks, it's terrible.
Eric Smith is the winner. Eric Smith. He said, you, Patrick Whelan, winning with Whelan. Loyalty and consistency pays, right?
Let's go, Eric
Let's go. Eric Smith in the chat. Where's he at? Eric Smith. Eric Smith, are you here?
I need to use the restroom again.
$9.99. There we go. He's a loyal subscriber and follower. I'm happy that he gets to win. Love to see it. $1,000 right there to Eric Smith. I think I already got you your email. Eric, is your PayPal address the same as
Yeah.
Ooh! Alpine Trader giving the memberships out. Look at that. Eric, I sent you a DM. Eric, I sent you a DM on Twitter.
Trade Sinker, yes, I did mention you guys. What?
Deleted. Sorry, Trade Sinker, no free advertisements.
Oh, yeah.
$10 does not get you an advertisement on the PW channel. They gone.
Nutty's camera just keeps moving.
It's on that woman now.
Yeah.
Nutty, you look a lot better now on TV. Well, how do you feel about today?
Well, trading wasn't the best for me, but I think the stream was great.
It was a good time. We got 7 minutes here. Things could pop off. Get ready. MOC, baby. All along. Every account. Just go long. Right at the MOC.
Well, overall, I think it was a great experience. And I can't wait to do it again tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm going to be less nervous at the beginning. So my trades are going to be better. And,
you want to trade tomorrow? Oh, fuck. Hey, that's what all the degenerates say. That's what all the degenerates say.
The Lambo is not functional.
What are you talking about? Don't talk about me, boy. Don't talk about me, boy. Look at that breakout here again.
10,000, he says.
We're ripping again, Nutty. You missed out. It's a boner candle central. You know I love a good boner candle.
Dakota is down 5,600. All right, at least I did better than him.
Pine Tree Trader said full port, Alpine.
Oh, Pine Tree, what's going on?
Pine Tree, how's it going, Pine Tree? Let's go.
Damn.
Man, I'm so tempted here to...
To what?
Landon, what do you think?
Stop him, Landon. Stop him from losing. Help him. Help Nutty Bar. He needs your help.
What do you want to do?
I don't know.
You gotta fix your camera, by the way.
Oh, again, we got issues.
It likes the women behind you, not you.
What is this camera doing? It's going everywhere but... Hello. No, I want to go long. But not sure I should. What do you think? What do you see? Gotta wait for a little pullback like this.
Do you play the music for you or for the stream when you do it like that?
Just kind of like for me, honestly, kind of like I need music playing. If I'm not
Because I
streaming, I'm
say-
playing different music for sure. But this is like pretty just like chill music.
Because you could play it through stream as well.
Yeah, I
you
know, but
that.
then I can't hear it.
Like the Fortnite.
I don't want to wear headphones. People that like, you know what I mean? Like people wear headphones, they can hear the
Yeah,
music
yeah.
that's playing. I just don't want to. I don't want to wear headphones. I can't trade with headphones on. Freaks me out.
Yeah,
I need to
you're
hear everything going around. Need to hear the mouse click.
Yeah.
You're probably one of those guys.
All right, we got 4 minutes until MOC, people. 4 minutes until MOC here. We're bouncing around at this 2040 area. We broke out. Will we go higher?
My son, he loves playing.
Hey everyone, heard you mentioning us. Time out, visit our website for the best.
No! Don't go to their website!
Wait, what happened?
Nothing.
What happened? What did I miss? Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Right now, Nasdaq pulling back here into the 25s.
That was pretty funny. I'm not used to streaming on 6,000 viewers, you know.
Someone said
Everything's
Nutty's
got a
listening
price.
to a 12-year-old. That's right. Get wrecked.
Trading is scalable and no employees. Pack your next step is a TV set and a live audience.
Man, are we-
working in the sun all day? How many years did it take you all to be profitable traders?
I'm so not profitable, so it's perfect.
Ask me in 2 years.
Full port Alpine still time.
I like that guy. Who said that?
Pine
Full
tree.
port
Oh,
all time.
Oh, this is so delayed.
It is.
Cheer up. I'm in a great mood. I have a resting bitch face, if that's, I don't know what it's like. For,
No, Alpine is very calm.
I'm very calm.
You always amaze me, like how calm you stay, like in your when you're trading.
People ask me why I'm angry all the time. I'm like,
Why are you so
I'm like-
angry?
I'm like, what are you talking about?
What?
You're just
I never
angry.
look at that. I always find like when you're in a trade, you stay very even keel. Me, I'm talking to this stupid
Try-
chart all the.
The best is whenever your nutty's in a
time.
trade, he just starts like,
Oh, I do. I get
oh fuck, oh shit. Like it's like instant.
Oh yeah, it's everything is on the table.
Oh, I don't like this
No
anymore.
self-control. Absolute degenerate.
Oh man. All right, we got 2 minutes until
right.
minutes until MOC
That
here, my
little-
friends. 2 minutes.
That little dump lower. I'm not gonna trade.
We put in a lower high here, so not looking too good right now. Going into MOC, but we'll see if they're gonna bounce around this 20,000 area again and go higher.
It's gonna be great coming back tomorrow. Everything will be set up, ready to roll.
New
We're
day.
just gonna slide in here and be
Ready to go.
ready to go.
Love to see it. Love to
Tomorrow's
hear
gonna be
it.
great.
What time are we streaming until tomorrow? What time you plan on leaving?
Tomorrow, probably after. Just
We'll stream to like 12.
yeah, usually what 12, something like that. So I'll probably just
9 to 12 is pretty
leaving
good.
After that,
Yeah, so I gotta book my flight.
3.5 hour drive back.
3-hour flight back.
Yeah, your flight to New Jersey is like this.
All right, we're getting close to the MOC here. We got
More,
less
because
than
I
a
gotta
minute.
Get to airport.
Coming up, MOC, who will win? The Bears, the Bulls to end the day here.
Here we go.
Nasdaq right now pulling back 20,000 again. Will we bounce? Will we push? Will we
I like
rip?
this long,
What
but
will happen?
I can't do it right before 3:50.
Murderbot.
Gotta wait. Gotta wait for
Murderbot's
that.
going higher.
What do you think, chat? Up or down, chat? What do we think?
Seems like lately the Murderbot's been going lower though a lot.
The what?
It's been dumped like ripping
MOC,
lower.
you think it's dumping today?
Yeah, I'd call it. the
Well, it's time to
Murderbot.
go up.
But I think it will go up today.
Oh. Today.
Calling my shot.
We got 20 seconds, so we're
I
going to
think-
find out.
I think we're going up too.
I think we're going up.
Everybody.
But
thinks
we're all going to be
right.
wrong. You're saying
Chat
up?
says
No,
down.
you said
We're all-
down.
yeah,
Nutty Bar said
No,
down.
I did not. I said up.
Nutty Bar said down.
He's gonna change his opinion in about
Yeah.
10 seconds.
Wait, I'll tell you in 5 seconds. Hang on. I said up, just to clarify.
We're gonna have a wick down.
3, 2, 1.
Wick
Oh,
I
God.
said down. Thank you, Pat. Pat, down it was. Thank you.
Oh, it's going back up.
It's gonna wick up.
Yeah, it always wakes up, but man,
Nah.
those murder bots are pretty serious.
Yeah, this,
That's a
you could actually
that's a 30-point move.
if you have a job and you can't trade futures all day,
not
350
terrible.
to 4 o'clock you can make your money.
You could. You actually could.
You could.
Similar to that opening.
Yeah.
Trouble here at the MOC as we test that pivot point again there at the 980s.
980s.
Got this low down there, 940s.
Man, we dumping. What a crazy afternoon.
I can't catch a runner. I don't know what it is.
We had some crazy moves.
Crazy moves today, Nutty Bar
Being
said.
down 263.
Off the VWAP from the 820s all the way back up to the 140s.
Very, I mean,
300-point move and then dump another 200 points.
Did you guys stream all day, no pause? I think so. Took a
Yeah.
little,
I think so.
ate a little food here and there, but I don't think we took a pause really. Streaming all day, live from the BDH. Non-stop action, baby.
That's right.
We'll be back tomorrow, by the way, 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Make sure you're here.
best stream so far. Let's get it.
Let's go.
We'll be back. I'll find
All
some
right,
time.
Nasdaq just kind of dipping down here to that pivot point. And that's it. FOMC day, baby. Tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, should be some good action after FOMC. We'll see what these markets want to do. What do they want to do? The million-dollar question.
I'll be back when the racing sim is here.
All right, all right.
And I'll sleep here in the
I like that.
practice.
I like that.
I like that.
Come back anytime you want.
All right, we're going to end the day.
All right, we're gonna have in 2 more minutes. We're gonna have another
Yep. I think
lots of love.
If they lose this 960 area, it could pull back to the 920s.
Not lots of love. Oh, man.
Trap, like it. Trap music for the trap trader.
Yeah. At the close? So tempted.
Are we going back to the room before we go? Probably, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Probably
You said Top Golf at 6.
Yeah.
Maybe this old man can get a nap in before then.
I don't know about that. By the time we get,
Oh yeah,
Well, it's 5
we
minutes
leave
from-
here
yeah.
4:30. We'll be at the hotel by 4:30. I could take a half-hour power
I'll get
nap.
to eat my breakfast. I'm not actually that hungry. The first couple days was rough, but
Yeah.
We got the
355.
355 algorithm coming up here next. $355, 30 seconds until that hits.
Are we going to a strip club? No. Maybe I will. I can.
I will not be going.
Nutty is tired in the stream.
Got 5 more
Do
minutes.
it. In the stream, Nutty.
Hey, there's the.
Is
there's
it
the
gonna
pop.
follow? Let's see. Is it gonna follow through the same
Is
direction?
he gonna follow through?
Usually it follows the same direction, but sometimes it's just so random.
Yeah, that might have been a fake. A little bit of a fake move higher.
I'm just holding up there, going nowhere.
Let's see. 2, 1. Yep.
Yep.
There's
down
a
she goes.
355.
Yep.
But not really.
Yeah, this thing is pretty much dead. I usually get a little bit of movement right at 4, right? A little bit.
Okay, guys, that was a wild move here. So that trade didn't get into the trading system for markers, as I need to go set manually. but it went over 4K now today. When Powell was speaking, when he started speaking, we entered, we made another 5K, then we made another 3K, and right now we made another 4K. So it's been a great day, but still morning was completely horrible. Even after 1 hour after the market opened, it made a long, we captured like about $2,000, and then the market just went sideways with no volume. So it's very difficult to trade that way, as the market is waiting something. Okay, so as you can see, these bars is over 1,600 contracts, 2,600 contracts, 1,300 contracts. You see, this one is almost 3,000 contracts. So like I said, it's, for example, you can put the filter. Okay, you can put the filter if maybe you can say that prior bar is gotta have X amount of delta before entering a trade, so it can be supported. Same for short. You're gonna lose a lot of trades, but you know it's better to. I do it this way because I cannot put a 4 hour, 5 hour video, so it's gonna be too long. I put it raw here, raw, and as you can see right now, I'm just using the long and short signals. It doesn't have any filter whatsoever. It's not using any filter. I'm not using the order flow bars. I'm not using anything. It's just the signals buy short and buy long. Okay, so in top of that, that's what I was telling you about the foundation yesterday. Okay, so these signals, okay, are very reliable, but you need to have okay, it needs to be sustained. Okay, so in the morning, for example, right now this was a news. Okay, so the news was very strong, so the catalyst for the market to move. But in the morning, algorithms of the open start doing stupid things that have no logic. Even you see the buyers pushing up, the sellers you turn it around, and it has no logic. It's not logical what they do. Okay, so you need to take into account the news. Okay, so in FOMC days, it's better just to stay away, just let the news be digested. Okay, so Power Hour was very good. When he was talking, it was when he made the best money. So what else? Well, S&P 500 made very good trades in the morning. It went to $500 profit. And the Nasdaq made the profit too, but not the 5K. But I just push it to 5K. But it's if it made 300, 500 in your side, just stop it, or just go with micros. Okay, so that way you can copy and make a living out of this. Okay, so well, that would be it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you are interested, like I said before, send me an email, because the list is already almost gone, guys. I already have the people that's gonna buy, and I'm not gonna be putting more sales in some time, because I need to work with the people, the new buyers. I need to code what they want for filters. Okay, as I don't know how they trade, what time frame they want to trade. Okay, but the signals are gonna be the same. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching.